Hello, folks, and welcome to your WYDOT afternoon video weather briefing on this Friday, the 7th of April. I'm day weather meteorologist Mark Hewer. We'll start to see a small upper level disturbance move across the state late tonight into Saturday, and that will keep a touch of wind and also a touch of very light snow in the forecast for a few areas. Otherwise, though, temperatures will continue to rise over the next several days, but heavy snow-covered areas will warm the least. The first 70-degree temperatures of the spring season are on tap then for Monday and Tuesday. And with a big warm up and even across many lower elevations that are seeing some pretty good snow cover, we will start to see the potential of some flooding concerns from snow melt in our low-lying locations along rivers and streams. Then mid to late next week, starting about Wednesday, but more than likely probably towards Thursday, we could again be trending cooler with areas of additional rain and snow. Here in the short term, though, through the rest of this Friday and this Friday night, we are looking at pretty darn good looking weather conditions here around Wyoming. All of the non-shaded areas also included the yellow wind areas here, looking at dry conditions. Up in the northwest, a touch of snow, primarily after midnight. Could pick up a trace to 2 inches. Teton Pass, Togety Pass, trace to maybe an inch if we're lucky in some of the western valleys here in this light blue shade area. Otherwise dry tonight and still looking at some strong and gusty winds. Nothing crazy though here into and through tonight. Just enough though to keep some areas of blowing snow in the forecast. That'll be especially true south of Casper, out towards Sweetwater Junction, and then also the Muddy Gap area and the northern sections of the Shirley Basin. It's the secondary roads, Wyoming 135, Wyoming 287, 789, and Wyoming 477 that continue to have issues and some closures due to extreme drifting from the 1, 2, and 3 feet of snow that fell earlier in the week. For your Saturday, touch more wind, especially here in central and south central Wyoming, but the winds do spread up onto the west side of the Bighorn Basin as well. And we'll again be looking at 15 to 30 mile per hour winds out of the southwest, some gusts of 35 to 45 by tomorrow. Even here across the central section of the state and the secondary roads, blowing snow really should become very limited or a non-issue, as the snow will finally be setting up with this great sunshine we're seeing and also the warmer temperatures. Some AM snow showers still out here in the northwest. Likewise, a little bit of scattered activity potentially here across the southwest and southern sections of the state, all of which will maybe create a few low impacts. And we cannot rule out a couple of scattered rain showers here across the state from that upper level disturbance moving through. Otherwise, dry to mostly dry with overall light to breezy winds. Some areas of fog again here out in the west and southwest. For your Sunday, Easter Sunday, look even better. Dry statewide and milder, light to breezy winds. Some areas of low-lying and valley fog once again. That'll be especially true sections of the Wind River Basin, sections of the Green River Basin, and here across the southwestern sections of the state. Otherwise, though, temperatures 50s, even a few lower 60s on Sunday, 60s to some 70s on Monday into Tuesday, with the heavy snow-covered areas here in central and also south central Wyoming lagging behind on the warm temperatures, mainly 40s and 50s for these areas, but that's still a big improvement. Thanks for watching today. Safe travels if you're traveling for the Easter holiday, and enjoy the much better weather.